恭喜发财，万事如意。May your collection prosper in the year of the pig. Today is the first day of Chinese New Year, and to start the new year, let's review the latest initial model, Mazda RX7 FD3S. This yellow body color, which is my most favorite because it reminds me of the initial D Red Sun's RX7. It also comes in metallic orange and also a metallic green, which is a Japan exclusive. This yellow RX7 was available at the Tarmac web store for a brief 2 minutes before it was sold out, and a number of these is also available through their authorized seller. And just like Mini GT and Inno 64 business model, you can check out on Tarmac websites under distributors. The link is down below. When it comes to mini cars, initial model is no doubt the top of the line among all makers, and it has repeatedly proven so even for 164. The model make and the Rocket Bunny logo type is engraved in a metal plate. The sleeve is understated in white and grey, which makes the Pandem RX-7 really stands out. And now let's take a closer look at this perfectly crafted Mazda RX-7. While I'm really at a loss of words, the craftsmanship is so perfect and it looks awesome in every angle. And initial model has proven themselves that not only they can do elite models for bigger scale cars, but also in 164 scale. Compared to its larger scale counterpart which come in resin, the body comes in die cast, hence the lower retail price. And despite that, IG don't really compromise on its detail as well as quality for the 164 range. And this RX7 really puts the TLV version to shame. You can see for the rear light, it comes at a separate clear plastic insert instead of painted, unlike the TLV. And more so, the livery clarity is excellent, such as the Rocket Bunny logo, which is very visible even in 164. IG never really compromised on its workmanship, and I'm very happy to see such fine details even on close-up. It's a shame that this RX7 doesn't roll. I like the TLV version. Overall, this RX7 is a superb casting. And yes, the white version is coming in March, which I can't wait. Remember to like, comment, and share the video. Thanks everyone. Bye.